everybody. Today I just built this. Look. Okay, Minnie can open. Ta-da. Look, it's a ball. Look, it's a ball inside a ball inside a ball. Look, this is a ball. And also if we take out this piece, if we take out this piece, there's another ball. And if we take out this piece, there's another ball. Oh, broke. Huh. They have the tiny one inside. The ball broke. Wait for a second. Just need to rebuild it. Or if we want to build it, we need to put 4 of these and take one more of these triangle. Make it like this kind of thing. And then you turn it like this. You take 2 and also make it like this. Put this one here and another one here. One more here. And then there's they have like 2 of these. Look, one here and another one here. They both are using this 2 greens one. And then after that, we just continue. Put this here. After putting that there, we put these 2 here. After putting those 2 there, we put these 2 here. Where we put those 2 there, we put these 2 here, and then we put these 2 here. Then we put this here, and one more at this, like this. And then if we want to make it nicer, then we just like look at all the sides, make it connect, and also but the best way is to just like roll it on the hand like this and there. Oy, oy, oy. And then when we're done fixing this, we're done taking and then we're done taking all of the bolts inside the balls. This is the most smallest one. It can't even fit a single ball. Okay, bye bye. See you at the next video or a few seconds next. Bye bye. What? 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 Human, and also it's the other way around. It's the other way around, sorry. Okay, today I just built this magnet human. And also the hands, it's kind of holding something. We can't take it out unless we break this piece. But I don't want to take it out because it's just this thing. We're talking about this. And what is it again? This. And this. Well, usually I kind of build a man. It's like a kids. And also it's like playing with toys. These are the toys. This is the thing that look, I just showed you. Just need to take it out. It's going to fall, I think. Just any moment now. Any moment. Any moment. Maybe we don't need the hands. Get out of here. Oink. Maybe we don't just skip that. La 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 la. Just, okay, you're seeing nothing. You're seeing nothing. Okay. Just pretend it's gone. Okay, as I was saying, just pretend the man is here, and also it's like taking out this piece, and usually we can just put this piece in there, and then we do this, and then it would roll around. And there's another thing. Just need to get this out. Okay. We don't need that. We don't need all of those pieces. Just don't talk about it to anybody. How to build this? 1 second. Okay, back as I was saying, what I was saying again? Okay. This ball that I made, instead it's different. I use it with triangles. Look, it's all triangle, nothing else, just triangle. Just pretend we open a few holes, and also I put this, or we can turn it. Wait. Just need to this there. Just pretend this is like a rock thingy, and also we just like take out this. Bye bye. See you at the next video.